Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert waterfall chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert this chart in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab, so just click on it. Now this chart option, click on it, and in this list you find this waterfall. So click on it and now click on OK. So as you can see, this is very easily insert this waterfall chart you see here. So very easily you can insert it and you can customize it like style, color or more. So this way you can insert. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and like this video and subscribe my channel for more useful and interesting videos.